Hello everyone, today I need to make some stamp with my logo from YouTube channel. I will make this from SVG project that I prepared before. First we open the sketch and we insert the SVG file from computer. Okay, something like that. Now I want to move the SVG text. Something like that. Yes, I make -158, 55. Yes, it's very good. That is not finished. Here I will move this to this side, but I made this -8, -7. I think will be okay now. -6. Something like that. -4. Okay. And this is ready. I want the text is in the center of coordinates. Maybe it's not exactly center, but it's okay. Now I need to one more thing make around the text. Okay, just like that. Okay, we finish this. We make now some fillets. How about 20 millimeters? Every corner I will make this. The project is ready for the stamp. How we simple can make this? We can make extrude and simple I will choose every letter like that. Okay, every single one. Now if we want to have the effect of mirror, we just make the extrude -5. Okay, it's okay. Now I make the second extrude from that same project, but I need make from the plane. I also choose some elements from letters. Okay, because I need. Okay, something like that. And I also make -2 millimeters. Okay, and join. Now I have ready the stamp. Why? Because here is the mirror. When I want to make the stamp, I will make the stamp only from letters from mirror what I have. But like that is very difficult to make the stamp on the paper, on the smart metal box. I want make some head from the stamp, but first I need one more thing. I return to the project, okay, and I make offset about 3 millimeters. I look on the project, it's very good. I make something like that, it's okay. I finish the sketch now. It's something like that. For what I need this, I want to make the around the letters. I want to make something, but I make extrude only from this, like letters, -5 millimeter join. And I make okay. And something like this. We have now something like this. This is ready for make stamp or on the papers, on the boxes, on where you want. I will print this from TPE to is flexible, but now is not finished. I will make some simple head for this. I need to extrude on the up thing, but not from this project. It's not so good for this. It's better to make on this plane new sketch, and I will project, this is shortcut P, these lines for use for extrude later, something like that. Okay, now this is ready, the sketch is ready. I finish, and I will want extrude only from this plane. Okay, I need make extrude about 4 millimeters, I think. I make 5 millimeters, but I not make join, I make new object. And okay, now it's 2 objects. I little change the display settings for shaded and visible edge only, something like that. Now it's 2 body. Also, I will save the project now. This is logo stamp. Make everything wet. Okay. Make something like this. We change name for the body. Okay, let's stamp. Something like this name. I will Everyone can change the name for what wants. Here, name hand. Okay, it's still not finished. Now I want to make some something where I can keep this in the hands. I will make another one sketch from this plane, and I make something like this, I think. Stop 5. Okay. Or here 15. Okay, this is 15 millimeters. Here, and we make like this. I think that'll be okay. Okay, this will be okay. But we need one more line to make. From here to here. And also I make we can make more, we can make 7 millimeters, something like this, or 6 millimeters. 5 millimeters is enough, I think. Okay. Now I will make mirror from this. I select the lines, all the lines, what I need to make the mirror. Select the mirror line, and we have something like this. It's almost finished. We finish the product. Okay. We extrude this. We choose for the object we will extrude. We will extrude this until here, and we join to the body. Okay. Now we have two parts. The down parts with the logo is for print from TPE or TPU if you want. And the hand from up will be print from some plastic. But first I will make some fillet here and here. On the fillet I will make about 10 millimeters more, 20, 40, yes, about 40 millimeters. I will make something like this. Okay, it's almost finished. I need to make more fillets around. Okay, we make about 2 millimeters is 5 millimeters, that we can make 3 millimeters. Okay. Make more one fillet from this. Not this I choose. I need only this. Okay. Now will be okay, I think. Yes. And here I will also make 2mm, but first I must check this. Okay, 2mm is also okay. Something like this. I will make one more fillet here for better print, some like 2-3mm if it's possible, to yes, now is better, now is okay, I think, for the print. Yes, now is okay, and project is ready. I think now we have the logo stamp. The one part to second I will put with connect with two sides tape. I think will be okay. This is some simple project. You not must make something color here, because we need. Why make like that? Because we need for the print to this side the straight plane, and also on this part here will be the plane also straight. Okay, all is ready. We can make one thing, we can put the colors. I choose and use the shortcut A, but how we'll see. First time the function not work. Second time I don't know why is that with my using, but it's not matter, I think. Rubber, where is the rubber? Here maybe have here text I will use this good color, and from up other color I will use this. Okay, nylon, it's not matter. Okay, visual style shaded, and it's something like this. We have some simple stamp for use. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.